Okay, so in this video we'll be learning about get function, put function, getline, and write. So these are functions, as you can see. So right now we'll be focusing on get and put. So get function and put function, these are the member functions of get being the member function of fstream and put being the member function of offstream. Makes sense, right? Put is what you write data and get is where you read data, and fstream does exactly that. It reads data and offstream writes data. You can compare it to cin and cout, obviously, because cin reads data and cout also writes data. Cout displays data, right? And we will be requiring cin and cout for this. Okay, so speaking of get first, so let's write get. We'll be talking about get right now. So get can be used in two ways. There are two methods for using get. The method one being, let's say there are two types of gets. Okay, one is get character. Okay, and the second is get void. Get void is like taking in no data, it is null, right? And get character is taking character as input. So that is clear for now. And so these are the two types of gets. Now we'll directly jump into the code. Okay, so you'll understand it more better like when I show it in use. So let's say there's a character ch. Okay, and you want it to get a value. So what do we generally use is cin and character, right? So what the cin will do is it will give character a value. Okay, so it will give character a value, right? But how do you do this in get and character? But before that, you will ask, if cin can do this, why do we need get? Like, what is the use of using get? So to put it in plain terms, get is better, right? Get is better because it understands what a blank space is. Okay, it understands what tabs are, and it understands what new line is. Unlike character, unlike cin does not understand what blank space are. So there is nothing as, or it will skip. Cin skips blank spaces, okay, tabs, and new lines. So I'm not saying that get is better, but wherein you want to use wherein you need blank spaces, tabs, and new lines, you use get, and where you want to skip it, you use send. Makes the work easier, right? So how do we take input and get? So let's say we have character ch. Okay, a display statement says enter. Okay, and then we write cin, this is the object, cin dot the member function get, and we simply write ch. Okay, ch. So what this does is it gets ch into character ch. Now there are two ways of doing this again. This was way 1. Okay, now how does the way 2 work? In way 2, everything is similar except we create a character ch. Okay, we show a display statement saying enter. Okay, and instead of doing this, what we do is we assign a value. This is the destination and we give it a source, cin. So this is the destination and we give it a source, cin dot get, and no arguments required, right? This was the argument over here, but we do not require an argument because it will just take in data and give the data to ch, which will store it over here. So these were the two ways in which you can use get. Now let's understand how to use put. These are small topics actually, so let's just go quickly. I want this video to be short because other videos are way too lengthy. Okay, put. So let's say you want to print the letter E. Okay, how do you do it normally? How do you do it? We write a cout, okay, and we write E Done. That's it. That is how we do it normally. But you want to use put, right? How do you use it? So it goes like cout dot member function, which is put, okay, and in single quotes we print out e in single quotes, right? So this is how you print using put if you already know what you want to print, that is e. But what if you don't know what you want to print and you want to print a character? So character ch equals to, let's say, y, okay. Now you want to print y using put, so it goes like cout dot put and simply write ch. This will display the output being display, that is output is y on the console. Okay, so this is how you use put. The display will be y. That is it. Now we'll further move on to a simple code which will explain you the working of both. Okay. I guess the code will fit in this much. Just see. Okay. So first we include the libraries, obviously, that is hashtag include iostream and hashtag include fstream. Now why do we require fstream, you'll ask? Because get and put, as I said before, are member functions of fstream. Okay, these both are member functions. These both are member functions, right? So continuing, we have a int, we have a int main, okay, and let's say we want to keep taking in characters. We want to continue taking in characters and printing them. So we'll require a loop, right? So first we'll create the members. So that is character ch, and we'll also display the count of characters we took. Okay, so int count equals 0. Good. So we are good right now. Good. Okay. So now we give us display statement cout start entering. Cool. So now it has started to, like, you can now enter values. So now we require a loop because we need to keep taking values. Now pay attention to this. How do we stop the loop, right? We want to stop the loop when someone presses enter as in next line. Okay, so how does that work? So we simply write while character is not equal to /n in single quotes, continue doing the further things. Okay, so what it will do is it will take in values. So here we use cin dot get and character, right? That is taking in values for character, and then we use cout dot put and we print the value of ch, and we keep increasing the counter to count plus plus. Now once someone presses enter, this loop exits and it comes over here. What we want to do over here is display how many times the loop run, or how many characters did the user enter. Okay, so the thing is, the loop will run one more time than the number of characters entered, because the entered value is not a character, that is the stopping statement. So we need to -1 from the count plus plus. Okay, the integer count has to have a -1 because the stopping statement has been counted. So what do we do is cout count -1. So it will display us how many characters were entered, right? And then we return 0. That's it. So what will happen is you start entering values. Suppose you enter HIRAK and then you press enter, or say for example MPSTME and then press enter. So once enter has been entered, the loop exits and it displays the value. So example, if MPSTME was entered, the counter will become 1 2 3 4 5 6 and as enter, that is 7. Okay, but 7 is not MPSTME is 6. So what we do over here is cout -1. So we print in 6. But now if you were to use only cin over here, okay, do not use get, only use cin, this loop will never stop actually. because cin does not understand what is enter, right? It will keep taking in values and it will keep skipping enter. So cin does not understand enter is the whole point. Enter, that is new line or space, it does not understand that. That is the whole point, right? That's why we use put. So the next topic that we'll do is uh, get line and write. Okay, so get line and write. Hey guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting new videos about C++ very soon, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.